My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the pop-ups by the site News-rimoxi.cc. It's a deceptive site attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers, and it tries to mislead people and to make them click on a special allow button, supposedly to help them verify that they're humans and not robots, or supposedly to help users watch some video. But in reality, to click on allow is a mistake, and this would hijack the browser with a lot of intrusive advertisements. To remove these ads, access the menu, go to Settings, go to Privacy and Security, Site Settings, then in Permissions choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites, allow it to send notifications, and make sure you remove all these junk websites attacking your screen. So carefully, one by one, get rid of them. Also, I recommend that you research the system with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and then as soon as it gets successfully installed, start researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threats can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.